Yep, you got it, kid. Since your element is fire, I'll teach you fire control. Tongue of flame, sands of time, unleash heat from the holy shrine, make it so!
Cool, that got in my eye.
I can't say this spell right with my tongue all swollen. Oh, good thing I have it at the end and pill in my pants. No, I can't reach it. Can you get it for me, little guy, please?
No problem. Whoa! You got like treasure pants! What? What about this shiny thing?
That's a fire-tipped spear.
Fire-tipped spear, huh?
Hey, don't touch that switch!
You mean this switch?
Huh?